Okay, the next concept is equipotential surfaces. Equipotential surface ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. See, we know that a potential ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. For example, I would take one charge here. So this is the one charge. Okay, so that I have taken as Q. Q is the one charge. I will measure a potential at a point P. Now the distance I have taken as R. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು R distance ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, I measured the a potential. Okay, due to because of this charge. Again, on the other side, for example, with the same distance R, I measured the potential. So here whatever the potential is there, that you are taken as V1, that we can say 1 by 4 pi x naught q by r. That is the potential at a point due to because of the single charge. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಟ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ as V2. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೈನ್ I will measure on other side with the same distance R. So again I get the potential V3. So like this I will measure the potential in all the directions like sphere. So we get V4. So not only in this time, this direction, in all the direction with the same distance R. With the same distance R. In that case, what I observe on this surface, see, if I join these all, whatever the points is there, if I join these, what I get the circle like this. One circle we get. So observe carefully here. From these all are what the same distance R. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ is ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಮೆಜರ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ is ಸೇಮ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. Now that type of the surface we called as the equipotential surface. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಈಕ್ವಿಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸಹಿತ ನೀವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ another point here. So this is another point. So the distance, it is on the certain distance, for example R1 I will call, and I will take here certain point the same distance R1. So like this you can find out in all the directions, like in sphere in 3 dimension. What we get the sphere in all the directions into the paper and outside the out of this paper also. Like this with the same distance we can measure. So what we get, again we get the sphere. In that we can write like this. See, in this whatever the surface I drawn or circle I drawn here, on this if we measure the potential we get the same potential. So now this is also we call as the equipotential surface, and it is also equipotential surface. On this surface you can measure anywhere the potential is same. On this surface you can measure anywhere the potential is same, and here it is not the same potential. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. On this surface, on this surface potential is same, on this surface potential is same. Suppose here V1 is there, here V2 if you can take on this, see where the higher potential is there. ಅಗರ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, V1 ಹತ್ರ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ V2 ಹತ್ರ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ದ near to the charge which one is there, that is having the higher potential. See, this V2 is having the higher potential, V1 is having the higher potential, because we know that if you can move away from the charge the potential has to be decreases. So V2 is having the higher potential and V1 is having the lower potential. So we are always move from higher potential to the lower potential. You have to remember that. And okay. Now this is the first point. Another is what about the direction of the electric field in case of equipotential surface? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ equipotential surface ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟು ದ surface. It is always normal to the surface. Now see, this is the charge and these are the water. A surface means just we can draw the line. See, this is the direction of the electric field, and see, for this surface what is the angle here? Right angle. And for this surface what is the angle here? Right angle. So if you can take anywhere, see, if you can take an here, what is the angle here? 90 degree, a right angle to the what? Surface here 90 degree. So you can take anyway. So what we are observed that the electric field is right angle to the equipotential surface. Electric field is right angle to the equipotential surface, or for any charge configuration equipotential surface to the point is normal to the electric field anta helಬೋದು. So see, this is the point is passing through this. Now whatever the curved surface is there, for this you can draw the line, so normal to that or right angle to that, so that gives the direction of the electric field. Or for this direction of the electric field we can draw the a normal line that gives the equipotential surface. That is the second point, or principal units. And what about the work done to move a charge in this equipotential surface? See, this is one equipotential surface. Okay, for example, see, these are the equipotential surface we have taken like this. So equipotential surface is a, for that what is the electric field means, we know that it is normal like this. Electric field is normal to this equipotential surface. You can write in the upward direction whatever it may be. Okay, in this I want to move the charge from this point to this point, from here A and it is B. See, it is a what? Equipotential surface V1, V2, V3. V1 is the equipotential surface, V2 is the equipotential surface, V3 is the equipotential surface. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ನಮಗೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜನ್ನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ like this. Suppose I will move the charge from point A to the point B like this. What is the work done by this charge? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನು, ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ is 0. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ is 0. Why the work done by the charge is 0? Because see, at this point P what is the potential? V. At this point A what is the potential? V. So what is the difference of this potential? Because we know that the work done is nothing but what? Difference of the potential. So what is the difference of the potential? V minus V is equal to 0. There is no difference in the potential. Potential change illa antandre there is no work. So that the work done on moving a charge in a equipotential surface is 0. ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಿಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಅದನ್ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ potential is same throughout the surface and there is no work is done to move a charge from one point to the another point in the equipotential surface, and electric field is right angles to the what? This equipotential surface. These are the 3 points you have to remember in case of this equipotential surface. Now in the next video you can see the shapes of this equipotential surface for the different charge configuration. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಈ ಈಕ್ವಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೋಡೋಣ.